No, not in there.
Bathroom, honey.
Well, he's looking.
Here.
You found that in the kitchen. Let's go look in the kitchen.
I bet he put your basket by that ball. Go look.
What's this? Was it hair?
Alright, well look around there. Is it anywhere around there? No.
I don't think so.
I didn't hear him go downstairs last night.
Yeah, I heard him in the kitchen. Banging the cupboards.
Banging the cupboards? Would he put him in the cupboards?
I don't think so.
Well, you should check before you go downstairs.
I know I heard him go downstairs to put my Easter basket down there.
Huh.
Is it in there? What's all in there? Pull it out. Pull everything out and put it on the floor.
Eggs! Big eggs! It's the big
Wow.
What's on that egg? There's something on the egg. What's on it?
It's Avengers.
Cool.
What's this?
Whoa!
Cool. Little treat container.
Wow, what's that?
Look up at me, buddy.
Jeez. I know Santa came.
It's not Santa, it's the Easter Bunny.
Yeah, I know Easter Bunny. Told you it came.
What else is in there?
Yeah, but you need to start being good or else maybe next year he won't come.
Cool. How cool is this?
This is really cool, bud.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alien!
What show is that from?
I love these little dudes.
What's it off of?
It's off of Ninja Turtles.
Good job.
What's this?
Well, it's so you can hook on stuff.
Whoa! Oh, this is cool.
What's that guy on the back of that car?
That's Black Spider-Man.
Good job.
Who's this? Captain?
No, that's Fury, I think. I don't know.
Oh, be devil. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. He's on the pizza. His shells right now.
Show Daddy.
Yeah. Show me. Turn around and show me, bud. He's holding the pizza?
Yep.
Hold it
That's
up so
cool.
Daddy can see.
His weapons is right now.
Yeah, his nunchucks.
Just nunchucks.
That's freaking awesome, bud.
What else is in your basket?
Gum! He gave me this.
Gum.
He gave.
You must know you love gum, huh?
Here's your gum. Give me
Oh,
those
thank
bananas.
you.
What are those?
Bubbles.
With what? Ninja Turtles on there?
Yeah. What? Something for you too.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
I guess he gave us all gum.
Yeah. More treats.
This one's for you. This one.
No, those are yours, honey.
This.
Yeah, he brought them for you.
Wow. Let's go.
What is that?
Check.
Chalk. What's
What's
the other
this?
thing?
That's
Look at it, yeah.
That's just for swimming.
What's on it? Who's on it?
Spider-Man.
No, look.
Iron Man. That guy.
What guy? Look at it. Unfold it and look at it.
Hulk. Hulk. Captain America and Thor. No, that's
Tucker.
Thor.
Oh, look at Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Cool, bud.
What else is in there?
These things. Shirt. The shirt I wanted.
Hold the shirt up.
Okay.
Oh, that's adorable.
Whoa, a new towel
A new beach towel.
for swimming.
Hold it open it up.
Oh. Cool.
So cool.
Oh,
How did he know you needed that?
I don't know.
Who's on that bucket? Your Easter egg bucket.
Spider-Man.
Cool.
This
That is awesome.
shirt